Who is stronger in a fight? Lion. Who runs faster in a race? Cheetah. Who has the louder roar? Lion. Who can jump higher? Kangaroo. Who has better eyesight? Eagle. Who can swim longer distances? Dolphin. Who is more intelligent? Chimpanzee. Who weighs more? Elephant. Who lives longer? Tortoise. Who can camouflage better? Chameleon. Who has sharper claws? Tiger. Who is more dangerous to humans? Crocodile. Who can climb better? Monkey. Who is the better hunter? Leopard. Who has the stronger bite force? Crocodile. Who moves more silently while hunting? Owl. Who has better night vision? Cat. Who can survive in harsher climates? Camel. Who has a larger territory? Who has a larger wolf? Who is faster in water? Shark. Who can jump farther? Kangaroo. Who has thicker skin? Rhino. Who has the better sense of smell? Dog. Who makes a better pet? Cat. Who is more aggressive? Hippo. Who is more protective of their young? Bear. Who has more stamina? Horse. Who can lift heavier weight compared to body size? Ant. Who is more intelligent in solving problems? Dolphin. Who is more social? Elephant. Who is a better climber? Leopard. Who has better hearing? Bat. Who has more powerful legs? Kangaroo. Who has better defensive tactics? Porcupine. Who is better at hiding from predators? Octopus. Who can live longer without food? Snake. Who is better at escaping danger? Hare. Who is faster at attacking prey? Falcon. Who is better suited for cold climates? Polar bear. Who is better suited for desert life? Camel. Who can run longer without stopping? Horse. Who has a more powerful tail? Crocodile. Who is more territorial? Tiger. Who is more dominant in the wild? Lion. Who is the better fighter overall? Gorilla. Who has the better memory? Elephant. Who can survive longer underwater? Whale. Who is more flexible and agile? Cat. Who is more feared by other animals? Lion. Who would win if they fought one-on-one? Tiger.